After a heated meeting led by President Museveni and the two aggrieved parties involved in land dispute in Kiboga, Museveni ordered the arrest of Ronald Ainebyoona, a claimant, and handed the land to Hajji Badiru Mwanje as more investigations are being carried out.
That's why in the medium term we had the legislation to bring back the 1928 Busura and Vujjo law. Don't evict Wechibanja, no Busura over Kwechikomo. Keep that. When we have enough money, we shall pay you off. But in the meantime, that is the law to protect the tenant, but also recognize your residual interest, you the landlord.
The State House and Corruption Unit arrested the 30-year-old Ronald and arraigned him in Kiboga Magistrate's Court till 14th of April on charges of trespass, assault and forceful eviction of residents in Ddwaniro sub-county on land belonging to Badiru Mwanje. The whole issue started after land dispute ensued between Hajji Badiru Mwanje and Ronald Ainebyoona, who all claimed the ownership of the same land. Ronald, resident of Natete in Kampala and a lawyer by profession, claims land belonged to his Indian clients, who hold a freehold title issued in 1928. Yet, Hajji Badiru Mwanje claims that he bought the same land more than 30 years ago. Residents and leaders of Kiboga district have commended President Museveni for intervening and urgently resolving the land wrangle.
Of Hajji Badiru Mwanje. I came here to supervise, to see what is going on, because we were informed that the government surveyor is coming here to survey our land, which we did not resist. But coming here, we found the armed men. Who brutally assaulted us. They took our properties. They took everything we had in the car. They beat us to an extent of begging for God to save us. But we are happy that the President has come and solved this issue. I pray it doesn't happen again.
Ndi musanyufu olw'okuba nti President akoze ekintu ekibadde kimusuubirwamu.
The President has heard from both sides, both the side of Badiru Mwanje, the previous owner of the land, and Ainebyoona representing Asians who claimed that are the owners of that land. Having heard from both sides, he resolved that the status quo should be maintained. Badiru Mwanje should return to his land, and that Ainebyoona, representing the Asians, should be arrested and charged with the criminal trespass, forceful entry to property, and also malicious damage to property.
Ronald Ainebyoona now has the task of proving his claims of the land before the courts of law. In case the courts find him guilty, he stands a chance to be in prison for trespass, forgery of documents, and assault. Philip Aguta for UBC News in Kiboga.